I knew that on the outside you may look like you're okay, but on the inside you feel like a failure as a woman, each time you realize that you're still not pregnant. I also knew that you've been hurt in the past many times, but you're optimistic enough to fight your infertility and fulfill your motherhood. At the outset, I want to let you know that the 5 words that can protect your fertility is for you, if you've been trying for months or years with no luck. You're skeptical about natural methods but you want to try it. You're already in the process of IVF or IUI and you want to enhance its success rate. You want to avoid fertility treatments such as IVF or IUI and want to try naturally. You have hormonal problems like PCOS, endometriosis, fibroids or irregular cycles. You have fertility issues like blocked tubes, high prolactin levels and low AMH levels. Here is my promise to you. So far you were led to believe by the doctors that getting pregnancy is very hard. But today in this video, I am stating that getting pregnancy becomes easy if you can raise your energy levels in your body. In this video I am giving you just 5 words. These 5 words are more valuable than hundreds and thousands of dollars that you spend in IVF treatments. These 5 words can save you from years of turmoil that you likely to suffer with infertility treatments. Acknowledge and realize this fact. All the fertility problems are caused by blockage in pelvic area. If you practice the 10-minute meditation technique for 45 days, it can clear the blockage in pelvic area. This restores flow of energy into your reproductive organs, and soon you will conceive naturally. A regular practice of this 10-minute fertility meditation technique for next couple of months may change your life miraculously. We created this fertility meditation technique to leverage the miraculous healing powers of human energy body that modern doctors not even aware of so far. 10-minute fertility meditation technique can clear the blockage in pelvic area. 2 ways this fertility meditation technique works for you. 1. This fertility meditation technique reduce your stress that is blocking your pregnancy. 2. This fertility meditation technique raises your life energies in pelvic area. That is possible only with a regular practice of this fertility meditation technique. Want to reclaim your fertility power and restore your fertility? Download our free report, The 5 Words That Can Protect Your Fertility. Anyone can follow this technique, no matter your fertility problem is chronic. You can download this free report from our website www.fightyourinfertility.com. Click the links given in the description for more details. Our mission is to lead you from infertility to fertility. Therefore, give your valuable comments, whether our content is giving the confidence to you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can empower you even better.